forever, ever, forever, ever, 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 ever. Throw your diamonds in the sky if you feel the vibe. The rock is still alive every time I rhyme. Close your eyes and imagine, feel the magic. Vegas on acid, seen through East St. Laurent glasses. And I realize that I've arrived, cause it take more than a magazine to kill my vibe. Does he write his own rhymes or sort of? I think him, that mean I forgot better shit than you ever thought of. Damn, is he really that caught up? I ask, if you talking about classes, do my name get brought up? I remember I couldn't afford a Ford Escort or even a 4-track recorder. So it's only right that I let the top drop on a drop top Porsche. For yourself, that's important. If your stripper named Portia and you get tips from any man, then your fat friend, her nickname is